Hello guys, I'm here with delicious food called strudel. The ingredients for the dough are 4 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon yeast, 1 cup of milk, a quarter glass of warm water, 3 tablespoons oil, 1 tablespoon sugar, an egg, a quarter teaspoon salt, saffron, 1 yolk. The ingredients for filling are 200 gram ground meat, 4 sausages, 1 bell pepper, an onion, 2 tablespoons tomato paste, 1 teaspoon salt, a quarter teaspoon of pepper, half a teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon thyme. Cheese pizza as you need it. First, we prepare the filling ingredients. For filling, you can use different things such as a potato, mushroom, soya, ground chicken or meat, sausage, bell pepper. I used ground meat and sausage, bell pepper, onion, tomato paste, and cheese pizza. Dice an onion. Stirring in oil. Add ground meat. Add salt, pepper, turmeric, thyme. Stirring them for about 1 minute. Then add sausages. After minutes, add bell pepper and tomato paste. Let them cook for about 10 minutes. Put them aside until completely cooled. It's time to prepare dough. First, mix yeast and sugar and warm water together. Give them 10 minutes to increase the volume. Now mix egg, warm milk and oil together. Add yeast. In the end, add flour and salt in several steps and stir, so that it doesn't stick to the hands. If it is sticky, we grease our hands a little. Knead the dough and get its stickiness. Cover the dough and let it rest for an hour.
1 hour later.
After 1 hour, take the dough puff. We take the size of an orange from the dough and spread and cut it according to the fill. Put the prepared ingredients in the middle of the dough. Put some pizza cheese on the ingredients. Place the slices on top of each other left and right. Be sure to fix the beginning and end. Mix yolk and saffron. Rub on a strudel. Sprinkle a little black seed on it. Put grease-proof pepper in the oven tray. Grease it with a little oil. Put the strudel on grease-proof paper. Place in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for 25 minutes. Finally, turn on the grill for 3 minutes until the strudel is golden. It's ready to eat. Enjoy your meal!